guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Farniza Asgalban, and for today's video or the tutorial, tutorial video. Can I call this tutorial video? Yeah. I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to create and work with API for the Blynk application. So first, open the Blynk app or go to the Blynk console, create a new project, and you will get a unique auth token like a password. So it's your request connect to your Blynk, the project securely. And so that's it. Just create the virtual pin data stream. So then switch the dimple, you can turn on. After that, then you will go to the open again, then create, then you will off the button, and then will show up here. Okay, again go to the settings, and then create dimple. This button can be detailed. Okay, that's the link, and be ready. If you are working on IoT projects, home automations, or any system that use Blynk to control and monitor devices, knowing how to use API is super important. API is let you connect your Blynk project with other software, send commands remotely, or get data from your devices without even opening the Blynk app itself. First, let's start with a simple explanation. Okay, API stands for Application Programming Interface. So think of it as a bridge that allows different programs to talk to each other, share information, and send instruction so for Blynk app, for Blynk API are the way we talk to our project from outside the app, whether that's to turn on a light, read the temperature sensor, or any update, there are any update value in your project. All right, let's get started with everything you need to know on how to create a API, using Blynk app. So in that way, okay, medyo maano lang yung voice over kasi nandito na tayo sa char means character. That's the okay, we will proceed to the most important things we need to, or our unique. Short for authenticated token. This token is like a spatial ID or password that belongs only to your Blynk project. Okay, it makes sure that only you can access and control your project, so it's very important to keep it safe and not share it publicly. Because if you are sharing this publicly, it's possible to hack your code. So in my phone, I will go to the decoding or the Blynk console website. Actually, I'm not using computer, I'm using just a phone. Create the Blynk app API blank. Once the project is created, Blynk will automatically generate this auth token for you. You can find it in the project settings menu, or it will also be sent to the email you use to register your Blynk account. Okay, now the great news is that Blynk already provides ready-to-use official APIs, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. The most common and one to use is DREST API, okay, which works with simple web links or URLs. Okay, let me explain on how it works. Okay, there are two main things we can do with the API: send data to Blynk or read data on the Blynk. Okay, we use URL that from this format. So, diba? We have a HTTPS, yes, the Blynk, the Cloud Internals APIs update. Okay, and okay, let me explain this down to know the understand every part. HTTP Blink's Cloud External API is the address of the Blynk, yes, API server. This is where we send our requests. So in that update means we want to change or set a value in our project. So token, your token tells the server exactly which project we want to control. So VPIN is the virtual pin you want to use. For example, yes, V1, V2, V5, and etc. Yes, the value is the number or text you want to send to that pin. Okay, for example, if I want to set virtual pin V1 to the value 123, the link will look like this, diba? Okay. When you open this link in any web browser, Blynk will immediately update V1 to 123. It's that simple. To read that data from a pin, if you want to get the current value of a pin, like reading a temperature sensors, yes, you just change update to get in the URL. So HTTP links is how you when you open this link, it will show you exactly what value is stored in V1. Yes, right now this is perfect for getting data from sensors and using it in other programs or websites. While like for instance, you create your own customs like this. Yes, while using this, directly links works great. Yes, sometimes we want to make things even simpler, yes, or create our own custom, yes, commands that do multiple tasks at once. That is when we can build what is called an API, yes, wrapper. Basically, our own small API that acts as a middleman, yes, between us and Blynk official API. For this example, I'm using Python and the Flash framework, yes, which make it very easy, yes, to create simple web servers and customs link. First, we need to install Flash. If you don't have it already, just run pip, yes, install Flash in your command prompt or terminal, yes. Then we write our code step by step. First, we important the tools we need: the Flash to create our server and request to send request to the Blynk. Yes, next we define our Blynk out token and the base URL for Blynk API. Then create custom routes or links. For example, we can make a link like set v1 value. This means when someone gets to this address, our code will automatically take the value and send it to the Blynk to update v1. We can also make a route to read values like get1, yes, v1, which will fetch the current value from the Blynk and show it to us, diba? So that's it. Once the code is ready, we run the server, and now we have our own custom API. Instead of remembering the long Blynk URL with the token every time, we just use simple links like HTTP locals 500 set v1 456, yes, and our code does all the work for us. You can create as many custom commands as you want for different pins, or even commands that updates multiple Yes, multiple pins at the same time. It's totally flexible. Now let me show you how this all works in real time. Yes, first I have my Blynk project open here, and right now the value of B1 is 0. Let us test the official APIs first. I will open my browser, yes, and type the update link with the token and set V1 to 250. Yes, as soon as I press enter, look at the Blynk app, the value changes instantly to 250. That works perfectly. Now let us test our custom API. I have my plus servers running in the background. I go to the gun and press and enter again, and you can see the value in the Blynk. Okay, that's it. And updates right now, right away to 380. And if I go to get 1v1, it shows me the current value is 380. Okay, exactly. This is so useful if you want to connect the Blynk to website, mobile apps, or automate tasks in any kinds of project. Yes. And it's the complete process we have. Okay, the complete process that we have. Learn what an API is, how to get your own token, how to use Blynk official REST API to send and receive data, and even how to build your own custom API wrapper to make things easier and more personalized. APIs are really powerful tools that open up so many possibilities for your Blynk projects. You can control your device from anywhere, integrate them with other systems, and build much more complex and useful applications. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Okay, if you have any questions or need more details, just leave the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching, and wabadu wassalam.